All right, guys. Removing the rear tie rod end from the knuckle. I watched a bunch of videos online. I could not tap this out from the bottom. I didn't want to beat on it with a heavy hammer, but I did use a mallet and it would not come out. The other side, something worked really well, and that was this nut here. This nut allowed me to apply leverage and break it free. And let's see what happens. So, as you can see, my castle nut is free. It's turned upside down and I was hitting it and it was not budging. This worked on the other side, so let's see what happens here. There it is. Okay. So that worked by just applying leverage on this nut.